What's up, YouTube family? Today on the video, we're going to be doing the Milwaukee drill battery to PowerWheels conversion. First thing we're going to do is locate the factory plug that connects to the battery. It's going to look like this here. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to cut that connector off. Third thing, you're going to crimp on a little spade quick connect like this. Alright? And you're going to take your battery, you take a look at it, you're going to see it's got a positive and a negative side to it. You're going to plug those spades like this into either side. Okay, so if you have it hooked up backwards, drive is going to be reverse, reverse is going to be drive. Okay guys, so once you figure out what's positive and what's negative, just mark on the wires what's what for the next time you're connecting, and that's it.
Alright guys, that's all there is to it. I hope you guys like the video. I'm just starting out on my YouTube channel, trying to get better, trying to create some cool content for everybody to watch. You know what, I'm having fun doing it, so that's all that matters, I guess. But yeah, that's it, man. And you know what, if you see these things on the side of the road, just grab them, because every one I've seen, and my kids probably have like 5 now, all that's wrong with them is the batteries are dead. So you do this quick conversion to them, and you know, they're ready to rock, and the kids have a blast with them, dude. So pick them up, your kids will love you for it. And that's it. Just like and subscribe, guys, please, and we'll hopefully see you on the next video.